What the fuck? What that fuck? This is bullshit. Oh my god. Guys, look how hard it's raining. Oh my god. Guys, this is the rainiest day ever. Dude, I feel like the Peppa Pig show that some kids watch should be here because they need to get ready to jump into like the mud of paddles. Like, holy crap, bro. Now, guys, we have to get ready for the Zikas. Guys, you know Zikas lay their eggs? Zikas and mosquitoes lay their eggs in puddles? So we're gonna have a lot of them now. Oh my god! They're reaching me! Dude, this fucking lightning, holy fucking shit. Guys. After I get what's going on here, like what's going on, I'm gonna tell you. I'm not showing my face right now because it's gonna be dark for it. Like, holy shit, guys. Look at that. Wait, I'm gonna come closer. Oh my god, my phone. Guys. Wow. This is crazy. So guys. Holy shit. Guys, I need to end this video. Okay, bye.